undersaying or understating the facts that are there. I know you've heard me talk in the public about proxies reaching out to me, telling me that Mama is proposing that I should resign and get the package to engage in other issues out there. Okay, I know you've heard me tell the public, and I know that if at all I was truly and honestly needed in those meetings, then all these other recommendations that were done by this Honorable House would have been implemented. I'll say that we are operating on a very, very hostile environment in Meru. And as the Deputy Governor, I've said time and again that things are escalating from bad to worse.